I welcome you to this video. So in this one, we are looking at arithmetic progression. All right, so we have the question, given that 25 and 13 are the first three terms of arithmetic progression, respectively, find the A, we have second term. Then B, we have formula for the nth term. So how do we find this question without wasting much of the time? Let's write the solution. So for A, what do we need to know? So for the first one, the numbers that we are given is 25 and 13. This is our first term, which is A. So A is 25. This is term number 3. So term number 3 is 13, like that. Okay? So now, since we know this one and we know this one, okay? We have the first term and the third term. But how can we find the common difference for us to find the second term? So we are going to use the general formula. So we're going to say this implies that Tn is equal to A plus, open bracket, n minus 1, close the bracket, then we put the common difference there. All right? So now, we know that according to the information that we have, we can use T3. So term number 3 is equal to A, we know is 25. The first term is 25. So we're going to say 25, okay, plus, open bracket, n, since we are using term number 3, we're going to put 3 minus 1, then difference we don't know. Term number 3 is equal to 13. So we're going to replace this guy with 13. So we say 13 is equal to 25 plus 2. Okay? We put 2 like that. Then this is 13 minus 25, because we're going to group the like terms here. This one will come there. So when it comes this side, it will change the sign. It will be negative. Then we're going to say this is equal to 2 times d, we get 2d, like that. Okay? Now, when we subtract here, what are you getting? Here you get 12, negative 12, because the sign, the bigger number has the sign negative. So we're going to say negative 12 is equal to 2d. Divide both sides by 2, both sides by 2. This is negative 6 is equal to d, okay? Because this one and this one will cancel. So this can be written as, therefore, the common difference is equal to negative 6. But this is not what we are looking for. So now we're going to say, let us find the second term. So now the second term, how are we going to find the second term? So we're going to say, we can say, here now we come, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d, okay? Then we say term number 2 is equal to 25 plus, open bracket, we put 2 here, minus 1, because we're looking for term number 2. Then, difference we have is negative 6. So term number 2 is equal to 25 plus, in the bracket there we'll have 1. Okay, like that. Then term number 2 is equal to 25, which is 25. When you multiply here, you get negative 6. So term number 2 is equal to 19. Okay? You put your 19 there. Alright? Now, the other method that you can use, you can just say second term is equal to A plus D. This will give you 25 is our A plus the difference, which is negative 6. So here you get 25 minus 6, then you get 19. like that. So this is our second term. All right, now having done that, we can find the last one, okay? We can find the last question. Let me just erase here. Okay. So that we find the last one. Okay. So this one is the answer for A. Now for B. The formula for the nth term. So we're going to use the same general formula. Tn is equal to A plus, we're going to say A plus, open bracket, n minus 1, D. This implies that, this symbol means implies, Tn is equal to 25 plus, because A is 25. The first term is 25. We find it in the question there. All right, then open bracket, n, we don't put anything there because we're finding the formula, minus 1. The common difference is the same, negative 6. We found it in the first part. Okay, then we're going to say this implies that Tn is equal to 25 plus, multiply here. So we're going to have negative 6n minus, it will be plus here because we have negative and negative, so it will be plus 6. Okay, get rid of the brackets. We will say Tn is equal to 25 minus 6n plus 6. Group the like terms. This one and this one, they are the like terms. Okay, so we'll say Tn is equal to 25 plus 6 minus 6n. So we'll say Tn is equal to, when you add here, you get 31 minus 6n. And this is your final answer. And just like that, you are done. So I just want to tell you to say we are now doing online lessons. So you can do well to join us. This is the number. You can just WhatsApp me on this number or give a direct call. We are doing the lessons at a very affordable price because our aim is to make sure that everyone manages to clear and pass this year. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.